Hi, good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel Fortune Forex. So today is 24th of June, guys, and it's a gold 1 hour live chart. This is 1 hour candle frame chart, and you can see a healthy correction in the gold prices. It was a crash yesterday after Iran attack on Qatar air bases and US embassies, and after that you can see gold before that made a high of 3393, and from there it got crashed around 33333. So that was going against the market is not moving, market is not having a sentiments as per the newses, because I told so many times, whenever there is a situation of war, whenever there is an attack, or whenever there is a natural calamity or any disease, gold will always go bullish. But you can see before that, only before the news came in the late night that Iran attacked on Qatar air bases, before that gold was made a high of 3390, and from there the moment we got in news, it got crashed almost 60 points. And in morning of Asian session as well, it made a low of 3333, and from there it got jumped. Because of that, Donald Trump has already told that Iran and Israel has agreed to do ceasefire. He already posted that on Twitter, and because of that, gold made again going coming down. So Iran has already told that we will only going to stop once Israel will not going to send any missiles or not going to attack. And Israel told that we will need some time to do a ceasefire. So according to all this news, market is not driven as per the news as well. So yesterday only I mentioned everyone that it's very extremely difficult to do trade in gold and US, although we have achieved our final TP yesterday as well. So as a day trader, as a safe side trader, what will be this today's support and resistance level, and how you will do trade today? Let's find out. If you see, after making a high of 3393, gold made a low of 3333, almost 60 point it came down, and from there it got bounced back in the Asian session in the morning up to 3357, and it is right now coming down again. So being a safe side trader, you need to understand market demand and supply zone, and from there you get to know all this through this chart. See, this is the area, this is the once, twice, and these are the multiple points where gold has retested this 3340 area. So this area, previously it was working in an increasing pattern, and you can see gold made a high. But if you see this pattern, gold is coming down slowly before the news, after the news, before the news, after the news, and from there it is clearly a mess up zone. Here we cannot and predict any particularly movement clearly. But if you see, these are the areas where bullish and bearish pattern can be easily observed. So right now, until the support and resistance level will not breach, we cannot expect any sort of a movement. But today's support and resistance level, let me just mention it for all of you. If you're coming for the first time, guys, on our channel, please like and subscribe so that you will get all the necessary information on a daily basis. And if you will see, if you want any particular free trial channels access, you can reach out to me on this my ID, Fortune Signals underscore admin. We have free channel, free signals, and you can join us there, and you can do trade with us. And YouTube, in YouTube description box we have WhatsApp number available as well of my team, so you can reach out to me there as well. And let's talk about today's support and resistance level. Then I will give you support will be at today's low, that is 3333. Resistance is at resistance, I can say I will keep resistance little bit far away, that is 3375. Let me show you why. So trend is almost at a weak side, because gold is coming again and again downside to retest the lows. So I am expecting now the news is came for ceasefire, and for 6 hours, like as per right now Israel time, ceasefire has been done around 7 a.m. So I don't think so. The gold will have a strength to go up again. Buyers will not, going to push the prices up again as technical plus fundamental news are moving towards, a bearishness. So I would say that you can keep your positions on a sell side if you want to, but we don't know like what will going to be happen next. But as of now, I am talking about today's scenario. You can see these are the support levels. Let me just mention for you. So this is a support level, a strong support level. If this breach, if prices can breach this, then we can expect the price can go down up to 3320 as well to retest this point. So 3320 will be the next support level if this level breach, and if that also breach, then we can expect the levels can go up to 3390 as well. So these are the two support levels where we can expect it will goes up down for scenario of sell. Okay, if we see any kind of healthy buying into the price zone, we can expect this from here only. If you see the prices are consolidating here on 15 minutes chart, or if any kind of like sudden buying is strengthening, then we can expect the levels can go up to 3370 as well, or 3375 as well. And that will be a crucial area to understand. If market is sustaining above this area, then only we can expect the levels can go up to 3390, and that is the most important resistance level. If that breach, then only we can expect the levels can go up higher, and above this only I can consider the gold will again entered into a positive zone. Because if you see this particular area has been retested multiple times. Let me just delete all this. Yes, so if you see this area, if you see this area has been retested multiple times, until this level will not breach and gold will not go sustain above this price range, we cannot expect gold is coming into a positive zone. So 3398 is the strongest, 3 or 3400 is the strongest resistance which gold will try to breach in upcoming future to come again into a positive zone. Okay, so take care according to that. And right now trend is almost in a negative side, it's on a bearish side as because of the news as well. Let's see. This is crude oil chart, and interestingly crude has already gives a very drastic crash. Even the news is after the attack was fine, that it will going to be in a demand zone. And if you see the price range right now, almost $13 per barrel, it's a very huge thing. No one can expect this sort of a movement in the crude price, because it's running in, I remember the days where crude is already like almost give 1 or 2 points of movement, not more than that. But here you can see drastic crash in front of us. And it will be like yesterday as well, like we provide buy signal in US oil from here 73, and then we have achieved our target up to 74.88, and from there it got crash. I can say 65 to 64 level, or maybe 64.50, this is the area where support will work. This is the area of support. So if you see any kind of price consolidation around this area, we can expect a sort little bit of kind of buying, and then buyers will push the prices up. But I can expect only if you will go with the small quantity in US oil, that will be a good for you, because that can be a very dangerous if you will not follow the trend. Okay, so if you're trading in US oil in the buy side, so go ahead with the small lots. Or if you will see any kind of like spike and then movement back down, then you can take a sell position again in crude oil prices. Now let's get back to BTC USD. BTC USD, yesterday I mentioned, if this price range breach 1,02,000, then BTC USD will enter into a bullish trend. And you can see after that a 4,500, almost 5,000 points movement we have already seen in the BTC USD. So above this level, above 1,02,000, above 1,500, BTC USD is in positive trend, and it can reach up to 1,10,000 as well. Support level is at 98,000, that is low of this, or maybe we can expect 98,000 is working as a support. and the first price band is 1 lakh 2,000, and the range is up to 1 lakh 9,000 or 1 lakh 10,000 as well. If you're coming for the first time on our channel, guys, please like and subscribe the video so that you will get all the necessary information on a daily basis. Till then, bye bye, see you guys, take care, see you tomorrow. Thank you.